In this video, I'm going to show how SQLMinder works and how easy it is to use this application. So let's start. So I'm basically on the login screen of SQLMinder and I'm going to use a demo user. After login, you're basically on the all packages screen, and right now we don't have anything. So let's basically create a new package. So click on this create new package link at the bottom and then name a package, create demo table. And then select the content. Suppose you have a script that basically creates a table and then there is a rollback script that drops the table and we want to deploy it in an environment, right? So suppose you are a developer and you are basically going to deploy it in a dev environment. Choose the rollback script. So you basically created a package right now and you see the deployment target. So this SQLMinder basically is a workflow based system. So you can only deploy in dev environment, then you can go to QA environment and then prod or UAT. So basically it follows a workflow. So you need to go from lower environment to higher environment, and you cannot basically jump directly from lower environment to higher environment or deploy in higher environment without deploying in lower environment, right? So let's basically as a developer, you many times you won't have access to QA or UAT or prod environment, and someone like DBA will deploy in those environments. So let's basically deploy this package in our demo dev environment. Click on this deploy button and that's it. Your table is deployed, and here you see the output. Now you need to deploy this table in higher environment. So how do you do it? Let's see how simple it is. So you click on the promote button and it's basically promoting. Let's wait. Right now it's promoted and you see the environment. Now it's available in the prod environment, and let's take a look at this package again. Because it's available in the prod environment, you're not authorized to deploy and these buttons are disabled, right? So let's go back and log in as a user that can deploy in the prod environment. So I'm now logged in as a user who has the access to prod environment, and the user basically sees the packages that the user can act on. So click on view again, and here you see that user can deploy in this environment. So in most of the companies you have development environment and QA environment where developers can deploy, and then higher environment UAT and prod where someone like DBA will deploy the package. So many times when you ask DBA to deploy a change, they will simply ask, did you do it in QA environment or not, right? Here you don't run into those kind of questions because there is a workflow, and also DBA can take a look at the history. So we capture all the audit information, who created the package, when was it deployed, and all that information. And DBA can take a look at your code, and if DBA doesn't think that the code is good or there is a problem, DBA can click on this demote button, and then the package will be demoted and you can edit the package again. But suppose DBA finds your changes okay, DBA will deploy it, and let's see how easy it is. So DBA clicks on the deploy button and that's it, your package is deployed. Now how do you know that your package was deployed, right? So you will basically ask DBA that question, but in SQLMinder everything is automated. So you see all these notifications, and you also basically get the email notification with the same information. So let me log in as the original user, and you see the notification here where here is your package. um, uh, yes, right here, package create demo table deployed by user demo user2 in environment prod on target prod. So you see you get the in-app notification, and you also get the email notification. And suppose you want to basically you have a production change environment, like where every time you make a change to production environment, you have to send out the mail. You can set up all those things in the setup, and every time there is a change on a particular schema, everyone who is who is in the email notification list gets an email. So suppose you have other team which is in some other country and you want to notify them, they also get the notification. And everyone who is involved in this whole workflow also gets the notification. So when we designed this tool, our goal was simplicity. And we also wanted to make sure that everyone working on the project gets the notification. If you use a tool like Liquibase or Flyaway, you have to know the database user and password, and there is a learning curve. In SQLMinder, there is no learning curve, and like database username password is not exposed to you. So that's one big difference between SQLMinder and Liquibase and Flyaway. And if you want a demo of this thing, and please go to our website SQLMinder.com and click on the contact link and fill out this form, and we will be happy to give you a demo and set it up for you. Thank you.